Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video today na about Alaska. Many of you go know this our great musician Alaska. He just bear RIP today. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Many of you go know this man. 24 bits bring his son that time. 24 bits. He bring his son that time. So many of you go know Alaska. So he just bear RIP today. Like the thing just shocked me. Say I react you know. So may his soul rest in perfect peace. I just pray may God give the family, make he give them the mind to bear the lost, because you know easy to lose somebody, even though say you don't see old small, you know. But I just see the picture today, see just shocked me. Say the right RIP put. May so rest in perfect peace. Many of una go know am. Now great musician, they sing like when they go sing that time, go be like say, ah God. The thing just shocked me when I just say this man just go like that, you know. Very great musician, like them like the Musayo More, and like the way they sing that time, you know. So the thing just shocked me. So may so rest in perfect peace. I mean the family, may God just give them the mind to bear the loss. It's not really easy to just lose somebody just like that, you know. So it's just so painful, like seriously, just too painful. I just want to do this short video for the family to just bear the loss. Like, it's not easy to lose somebody, when I understand. So my people, I'll put the video more and see them. Make una just join me, just give them RIP, rest in peace, you understand. So my people, bye.
Hello guys, hello people. It's your lady Shine Francis Odige Osemige, aka Yellow Nomuse Worldwide, aka the Von Lioness. Guess who's here with me? This is my fan, my #1 first lady fan, like a sister. Yes, her name is Blessing Wincy.
The CEO of the variety show group in Dublin.
Blessing Win CEO variety show all the way from Dublin. This lady has been awesome. She has been amazing. You see, oh my God, some people in my life as my fans, they are just special. She's special. She's a special being. And guess what? She got me a gift from a sister. Yeah. Hold it, let me get it. Let me show them. Look at these. Look at these. She got me these. Yeah. And then I like to unbox this, you know. Special. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah. Oh my word. I really love this. I love this kind of fur. Oh, look at it. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. Just like her. She's very beautiful. She's a beautiful soul, inside and outside. She's awesome. I love you, sis. I love you. God bless you. May God replenish your account. May God grant you all your heart's desire. And guess what? As if that was not enough, she decided to give us a treat. Not just me, Diamond is here, all the way from our school. See, the name Agho household, they are here. Yeah, Diamond is here, all the way from school. And guess who is here with us? Guess who is here with us now? I told you that I'm the president of the comfortable housewife. You see this, my friend there? She's a comfortable housewife. And her hobby is here. Yes, look at him. He's an amazing gentleman. is got all the qualities of a husband. You know, that's it. We got the best of the best. I said, let me quickly use this one. This is my sister to nyonyo you guys. And do they have friends? Do they have sister? A fan? Like a sister? Yeah, my bestie. My bestie. Yeah. She's so she's a beautiful soul. In advice she's there, in everything she's there. I love her, I heart her so much. Blessing, God bless you. God bless you for all your love and support so far. May God replenish your account. Hearty sis, hearty. And Diamond is here. Yes. Diamond, say hello. So guys, thank you. Yeah, she decided to give us a treat, and we're hanging out with her here. Okay, we'll catch up with you. Let's enjoy our meal. Okay. Bye, guys.
Happy Valentine to me, oh. Nobody go fit spoil my day. As my husband just come up for house, go dey carry different guests. I know say me no fit do that one because I be responsible woman. He no fit use him own spoil my day. He say we go let those guests go celebrate Valentine with their boyfriends. May he dey house with me. He comot, he go meet those guests. Now so he do one time. When one boy beat am, he no talk reach house. Do you know how many suffer? He don't suffer from different boys where they carry their girlfriend. They don't seize him motor 2 times. If you reach house, he go say na I'm robber 95. Many things. I been at the one where the girl do, huh? When the girl ask her money, you know, see give her. The girl sees him motor. He reach house. He say na arm robber carry am. And he don't go police station go report to. When police come make them come tell am say who they see car for his hands, na him girlfriend, na me they come meet. They even come they say, Madam, Mr. Nenemi, who is he to you? Oh, now I say it's my senior brother. He say, where the wife? Now I say the wife just went out. Now those ones say, may I tell her, may you come see them. Now girlfriend sees motor from his hands. Now he come report for station say, na thief motor. All the disgrace wey they receive for kurukere waka wey they waka, you know they enter in head. Today na Valentine. This night now we're supposed to celebrate Valentine reach tomorrow. Celebrate and well again. Now he come up for house. Now I carry bottle of beer. See, make me still celebrate my own. See, and now, you know, fit use the house for my day. Me, I ready to rock that. I dey here. I dey wait on.